Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to start our page number 21, Grammar in Use, Unit 2, Traveling Together Around the Sun. Open up your books, page number 21, Part D. First part is about an audio section. I'm going to play this for you. It contains a poem about going in space.
Page 21, Grammar in Use. D. Listen and sing along. Going into space.
If I become an astronaut, I'll fly up through the stars. I'll travel in a spacecraft, and I will go to Mars. I'll explore the planet's surface, its craters and dry lakes. Life will be so interesting if I go into space. If I become an astronaut, I'll fly up through the stars. I'll travel in a spacecraft, and I will go to Mars. I'll explore the planet's surface, its craters and dry lakes. Life will be so interesting if I go into space.
I hope you have enjoyed this audio. Let's move to our next part. Part E. Read the sentence, what happens before the speaker will go to Mars? I hope you have listened to the audio very carefully. There were certain statements starting with if. The statement in this question is also starting with if. If I become an astronaut, I will go to Mars. Now, before the speaker is going to Mars, what is happening? If I become an astronaut, if he will be an astronaut, he will then be able to go to Mars. F part, learn grammar. Today, in grammar section, we are learning about future real conditional. We use the future real conditional to talk about the future possibilities, something that are going to happen in the future. What will happen as a result of it? Once we are going to talk about the future possibility, and once we are done with the future possibility, then the results will be discussed. Future possibility always starts with the word if, and then onwards the result will be mentioned of that future possibility. For example, we have an example over here. If technology continues to grow, if the technology continues to grow, we will travel to these places ourselves. In this section, if technology continues to grow, this is the future possibility. The result is we will travel to these places ourselves. We have an exercise over here. Read each sentence, draw a line, a single line under a future possibility, and for a result, we are supposed to draw 2 lines under a result. Pause this video and solve this question by yourself. I have solved this question for you as well. Let us match our answers. Our first statement is, if I became an astronaut, I will walk on the surface of Mars. If I became an astronaut is a future possibility, I will walk on the surface of Mars is the result. Wendy will search the sky if she gets a telescope. Wendy will search the sky is the result. If she gets a telescope is a future possibility. If we study hard is a future possibility. The teacher will show us a video. It's a result. Now what you're supposed to do is you have to write down any 3 sentences having a future possibility and a result in it on a loose sheet of paper. That's all for today.